Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for calling. First, ensure Gemini has the necessary permissions on your device to access calling functions. You'll typically find these settings within your phone's App Permissions menu. Once enabled, you can prompt Gemini to initiate calls by voice command or text. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance your communication efficiency. Let's dive into the setup. To set up Gemini for calls, open your phone settings and navigate to the Gemini app permissions. Here, you must enable access to your microphone and phone. This allows Gemini to listen for commands and connect to your contacts. Double-check that Gemini is recognized as a trusted app for communication. This foundational step ensures smooth operation and reliable call initiation. Once configured, making calls with Gemini is incredibly simple. Just activate Gemini, either by voice or text, and say something like, "Call Mom" or dial 555-123-4567. Gemini will then connect the call through your device. It's a hands-free way to stay connected, especially useful when you're driving or multitasking. Enjoy the convenience. Beyond basic calls, Gemini can help manage your call history and even assist with initiating conference calls, depending on your device's capabilities. You can ask it to show your recent calls or redial a number. Remember to regularly review Gemini's settings for new features and privacy updates. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Keeping your app updated ensures you get the best experience and all the latest enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.